Hey there, hello everyone. Hi my Kitaian army. How is everybody doing? Do let me know in the chat box, and I welcome you all to this amazing session in which we are going to discuss top 8 most important assertion reasoning question from chemical reactions and equations, right? So there are a lot of different questions. So today the level of these questions is good. So I would just like you all to stay till the very end of the question. 8 questions in Menti, and every question will come up with a time of 25 seconds, right? So I just want you all that you should also be good with the time management. So आपको time का भी ध्यान रखना है. Keeping all that thing in mind, we are having the assertion reason, right? So let's get started. So I can see a lot of energy in the chat box, and call your friends right now because Shilpi Ma'am needs a very good competition in the Menti session so that you people can know your rank out of all the students who are appearing in there, right? Yes. Hi Suyash, good evening beta. So let's get started, but before that, we need to balance this law of conservation of mass. So I just always remember Sir Anthony Lavoisier here, and just like him, he said that mass of reactant should be equal to mass of products. We have to equate this like and watching ka ratio. Okay, so let's have it equal. 48 watching, then I want 48 likes on the video. Yes, then I will start the session. Call your friends. 50 students in the Menti beta, 38 likes. Come on. Yes. And I have a very big surprise for you today. So yes, we're gonna talk about the huge discount that we are having. So in these special 3 days, Teachers Day ki wajah se, see, you people are also gonna get a lot of advantage. Yes, call your friends and we will start the Menti now. Fine. Chalo, let ma'am change the screen, and yeah. Okay, in the chat box, everyone is ready, and take the Menti code and stay in the live chat and let me know what answers you are marking, what mistakes you are doing. Okay? Is the multiple choice question assertion reasoning top 8 MCQs we are having, and you can see a hashtag on the screen, hashtag education for all. Now what does that mean? We will discuss that in the session. Yes, Piyush, right, you got that. So what is the Menti code? 70913822. So call your friends and join in fast. Meanwhile, I will give my introduction. I am your chemistry master teacher Shilpi Kaushik at Vedantu, and rest of the things about Shilpi Ma'am are written on the screen. That is a very beautiful slide made by the subject matter experts, and yes, you can read that. Okay, yes, so yes, SKA Pro. Have you applied that? Already? Education for all. Yes. Ready? Hi Indrajit. Hi Yograj. So we can start the session. Come on. Everybody. Join in the Menti fast, and yes, I'm gonna show you the first assertion reasoning question, and you have to read it very carefully. Yes, Indrajit, are you? Okay, so if in case you are new on the channel, Vedantu 9th and 10th English channel, you can subscribe to it, right? Because you're gonna get a lot of questions and tricks to prepare for term 1 as well as term 2 exam. So that's your benefit in there, isn't it? Chalo, so I guess we all can get started, and the very first thing on your screen is a beautiful quote that defines success doesn't just find you. You have to go and get it. Yes or no? How many of you agree to this? Success doesn't come to you, isn't it? We have to work hard for it. So let's say you wanna get 50 on 50 in science. ठीक है, अगर let's say आप लेना चाहते हो for any subject, you are targeting let's say 100%. So for term 1 also, so it doesn't happen that you will dream it, I want to score 100% this time, and you will get it. No, you have to work hard for it, isn't it? So it's a continuous effort that you are putting in there. So you always have to remember to never give up on your dreams, right? So हमेशा ध्यान रखो, if you can dream it, then you can achieve it. So dreams can be converted into reality provided the commitment should be there. If you are ready to commit that, yes, I can be an NTSC scholar, I will be an NTSC scholar, and that will turn to yes, I am an NTSC scholar. So commitment should come from you. Yes, that is very important. Okay, Gaurav beta, ma'am is taking lot of batches in the crash course. I will tell you detail when I will tell you about the discount wala slide. Okay, we will discuss about it. So I guess we all can start in the first one on your screen. Call your friends so that we have a good competition. Again, I always say that बहुत important है. Okay, so assertion reasoning में you know that what you have to do. You are provided with two statements. One is assertion, second is the reason, right? So read this assertion. Magnesium ribbon keeps on burning in the atmosphere of nitrogen. Decide karo true or false. Then reason says that magnesium reacts with nitrogen to form magnesium nitride, and this reaction is a combination reaction. You have options on your screen. Mark the first option if you find both assertion reason true, and reason is the correct explanation of assertion. Okay, yes. Very good. The second one, both assertion reason are correct but reason is not the correct explanation of assertion. Option 2. देख लो ध्यान से, read it, take a screenshot. You don't have to forget that because next slide will be having very small font. You won't be able to see that. इसीलिए अभी से take your enough time here and let ma'am know in the chat box. Yes, send me some blue hearts when you are ready. I will start the question. Assertion is correct, reason is incorrect. Third option. You will mark fourth option if assertion is right, reason is correct. Okay, let's get started. Blue hearts, I can see Mukesh has already sent a blue heart. Okay. Piyush, think about it. Yeah, come on. Menti is not working. Nikhil beta, try karo. The code is 70913822. I haven't started the Menti yet. This is just a question, right? Yes, some blue hearts. Spam with the blue hearts. Come on, come on. When I say spam, then there should be like brrr. बारिश होनी चाहिए, ठीक है? Okay, very good. Start करें. Join in the Menti now. Go to menti.com and put in the code 70913822. Very good. I like that. Blue heart. So many blue hearts. See, Shilpi Ma'am always loves blue color. So whenever I see something that is blue, I think it, you know, it belongs to me. I want it. Okay. Very good. So let's get started. I guess you have read the question. So tell me the answer of the last question. Assertion, reason, you have read it carefully. Abhi bhi dekh lo, if in case you just joined it. Assertion says magnesium ribbon keeps on burning in the atmosphere of nitrogen. Reason says magnesium reacts with nitrogen to form magnesium nitride, and this is a combination reaction. 25 seconds. Yes, come on. Yes, Akshaya, is it so? Very good. Okay, let's check the answer to the first question. Not bad, but a lot of you have marked second stage. बेटा ध्यान से सुनो मेरी बात, ठीक है? Whenever you people talk about burning of magnesium, then you don't read the entire question. आप इतना ही पढ़ते हो burning of magnesium, then a reaction hits your mind, that is magnesium reacts with oxygen to form magnesium oxide, because that is only the reaction which you keep on studying. But magnesium can also react in the presence of nitrogen. It can burn in the presence of nitrogen. You can take a vessel, take a jar and fill nitrogen gas into it, then you put your magnesium wire, then close that jar, then magnesium will react with the nitrogen gas and there would be the formation of magnesium nitride. So it's a clear-cut combination reaction. Magnesium reacts with nitrogen and forms a single product, that is magnesium nitride, Mg3N2. Right? So option A was the correct answer. I can see so many fastest fingers like list पर. Anshika was fastest, Gaurav, Rishi, very good. Nishtha, Tamanna, Mukesh, high five beta. Venture, then we have Sridhar, Shravri, Pratyush. Awesome. Second question on your screen, everybody. Guys, join in Menti fast. I can see 88 students are in the Menti. Come on. Thank you, Sanskar. You have to go to menti.com and use the code 70913822. Yes? Okay, very good. Piyush beta, you have to do the reaction in a closed container. Okay, then it will happen, it will react with nitrogen. Yes, although nitrogen is inert gas, so you have to also take the temperature high. आपको heat करना पड़ेगा because nitrogen is having a triple bond between the atoms and it is very difficult to break it. So you gotta heat that. Reaction condition होना चाहिए ज़्यादा. Second, reason says assertion. Chips manufacturers usually flush bags of chips with gases such as nitrogen to prevent the chips from getting oxidized, and reason says that this increases the taste of chips and helps in the digestion. Okay, ध्यान से देखो. Why are you adding nitrogen? What is the purpose? हो गया? Done? Blue hearts and I will start it. Yes, after every question you have to read and send blue hearts, ma'am. We are ready. Akshay, are you asking the answer from me? High five, Sanskar. There you go. Yes. ठीक है. So ma'am शुरू करेंगे अभी and there we go. Read the question again if in case you haven't. It will again come on your screen and there you go. Yes, look at your phone. Flippin beta, rancidity is not deleted. ठीक है, there is no deletion, there is no reduction from chapter number 1, chapter number 2. ठीक है, उसको you have to do it completely and chapter number 5 also. So please make sure you cover it. I also asked you कि हाँ, that is not clearly written in the syllabus, but if it is not written then you cannot skip it. Okay, you have to cover this portion. So make sure आप करते हो. Yeah. Very good, very good. 74% have got it right. So the purpose that we are adding nitrogen in your chips packet is because definitely it is not gonna react with the oily and fatty food. So the oxidation of your fatty food would be prevented, and the reason was absolutely wrong. Okay. Very good. Rancidity avoid करना है. That is the reason we can use nitrogen gas over there. On the fastest fingers list, Mukesh, high five. Very good. Fastest. Awesome, awesome. Gaurav, Nishtha, Anshika, Rishi, Pratyush, Watson, Sharvari, sorry, that's Sharvari, Abhijit and Vinod, high five beta. There you go. Third question on your screen, read it carefully. Assertion says iron articles are painted so as to prevent them from rusting. True or false? Reason. When surface of iron is coated with paint, its surface does not come in contact with oxygen and moisture, therefore rusting does not take place. Yes. Come on. Blue hearts मिल गए, मतलब we can start it. Thank you, Saket. Yes. Blue hearts means ma'am we are ready. 90 students have join the live chat beta. Come in the Menti also, menti.com, and put the code 70913822. Right? We can start it. Yes. I don't know what is the answer. Yes, Atvesh, ma'am is waiting beta. Join in. कोई बात नहीं, join कर लो, join कर लो. 100 students almost are gonna be there. Okay. Yeah. So I am starting it. Done. You have read it? Yeah. Yes, Akshay. Yeah. Yes. The taste also gets bad. Okay. So there we go. 70913822 is the code. Very good. There you go. Mark your answers. I can see 90 students in the Menti. Join in, put in the code, and yes, mark your answers. ये तो बहुत easy है. This is the easiest question. Yes, come on, come on. We all can do it. Yes. And these are very important 8 questions, and they are different from what is given in NCERT. So now we have to level up our standard of the question. It's not just that we will keep on doing the simple questions, है ना? So we have to do hard questions. So if a CBSE is making the exam of this level, then your preparation should be here. Okay, यहाँ पर इतना difference होना चाहिए that your preparation level is there and questions are coming from this level. To be on a safer side, and very good. I loved it. 92% got it right. Amazing. So both of the statements were correct, and yes, that is why we do the painting so that iron is covered with some layer of paint, and that prevents the contact of oxygen and water with the iron. Okay, very good. So take a screenshot of if your name is there. I can see Anshika fastest and on the top, Rudraksh from Kitain Army. Very good. And CC is also there some. Fourth question, read it carefully. Yes. Simple question. In a balanced chemical equation, total mass of the reactants is equal to total mass of the products, and reason says that mass can neither be created nor be destroyed during a chemical change. Abhi, I told you about this when we just started the session, when I was saying that number of likes should be equal to number of students watching. Hai na? Then only I told you this. Come on. 79 likes and we have 83 in the live chat. Come on, let's make it equal. Anthony Lavoisier would be happy. देखो लिखा हुआ है, mass cannot be created nor be destroyed. The same we have to do with the likes also. Ready with the answers? Then blue hearts in the chat box. Hi Sairi beta. Yes, I know 9th A batch Hindi. Very good. Yes. Okay, so we are starting the question and there you go. Start करते हैं. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and go for it. Statue. This is again very easy. You can do it. In a balanced chemical equation, total mass of the reactants is equal to total mass of the products, because mass cannot be created nor destroyed. And balancing का भी practice करो, right? So I've shared one trick for the balancing with you. Try to balance from the metals first, then non-metals, then oxygen, then hydrogen. Okay, I have made a short on that, so you can practice from there also. Very good beta, proud of you. Amazing. 85% have done it right. Awesome. Now that is what Shilpi Ma'am likes the most, huh? When all my students are marking the answers right. So that was correct, and that is why we have to balance the chemical equation so that total number of atoms are same of every element are equal on both the sides. If that is the case, iska matlab mass will also be equal, right? Very good, very good. Again Anshika fastest. Okay. Now let ma'am tell you this surprise thing. I don't know how many of you know about this. So on this Teachers Day, Vedantu has taken a pledge that, you know, #education for all. So we want that every student out there in India is able to afford education, right? So we don't want any student, for any life that is deprived of education, because that is all you people have right now, isn't it? And that makes you independent. So when you grow up and when you see that when you realize, Arey, I am capable enough to be independent, then that is the best feeling, isn't it? So we want that every child should be able to get the quality education, and for that only, just for 3 days, let me be very clear, whatever offer ma'am is gonna tell to you, this is for 3 days, 5th, 6th and 7th. Now because 5th September is gone, so 2 days are left. आज का दिन है आपके पास 6 September and 7 September. So all the courses at Vedantu, when I say all, I mean all, whether it is an NTSC course, whether it's 1 month course, 1 year wala full course, it's term 1 course, term 2 course, all the courses are available at 50% off price, up to rupees 2000, right? And that is like the biggest thing. Agar if you attended last like day before yesterday my session, then price for 1 month Vedantu Pro subscription was 2300. Now today it has cut down to 1300, provided you apply a coupon code. So ma'am is gonna share that with you. You will also get a link in the description box of this video. For more information you can visit there and you can know about it. So these are the prices for grade 10 students, and for grade 10th ICSE as well as CBSE. Okay, so don't worry about that. Light is available at this price. So ma'am is gonna show you now, and crash course, which was of 10,000 rupees, is now at 5,000. Yes. Okay, so let ma'am see till exam ends. So ma'am would be sharing the information with you. Just wait a minute. Mm-hmm. 'This is the video. 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 'This Okay, 94 likes we have achieved. Very good, very good. Awesome guys, I'm proud of you. We can make it 100 by the end of the video. So देखो, ध्यान से देखो what ma'am is trying to tell you. This is only for 2 days. So if you are someone who was waiting for a long time and you were not able to afford that price, ki ma'am I'm not able to take it, that's okay. That's very much okay. So but now you have a chance within these 2 days. So you can see this link is for CBSE 10th term 1 crash course. So we have we have started crash courses for term wise. Like term 1 ke liye we have crash course which is starting now from this week. Different batches, like a few batches have already been started last week, but now still the enrollments are open for the new fresh batches. And both terms ke liye agar aapko karna hai term 1 and term 2 combined, then second link NTSE ICSE 10 students and then the other Maharashtra and JEE NEET Foundation. So ma'am is just opening this link. Okay, so which link I have chosen here? Grade 10 term 1 crash course 2021. Okay, so what you are getting here, देखो, you will be getting the entire syllabus coverage for term 1 for how many subjects? Physics, chemistry, biology, and then you are having social studies, English and mathematics. How can we forget that? School exam preparation, topic specific short courses are there. Let's say you don't understand balancing, redox, reactions, uske liye free mein you have courses which are always going on every month, right? And revision course also you would be getting. So these two plans are available. ठीक है, ये 5000 किस लिए है प्राइस? मैम वुड बी टेलिंग यू. दिस इज लाइट सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर द एंटायर टर्म 1. दिस इज फॉर समथिंग दैट यू वांट prepare till your December exam. जब तक term 1 नहीं होता है, you are doing it till there. Then this is available for 5000 rupees provided you apply a coupon code. जैसे I can show you, if I remove the coupon code, then this course is for 7000 rupees. ठीक है, and यहाँ पर if you buy it completely, you can apply a coupon code. Shilpi Ma'am का code is SKAPRO. ठीक है, you can apply that and then you just need to pay 5000 rupees. Let's say you don't want to go for the entire term 1. ठीक है, आपको ये ज़्यादा लगता है, मैम I am not able to take that 7000 which will be provided for 5000. Even that, if you feel that is too much for me to afford, then you can simply take 1 month ka course. In 1 month also you can cover your entire term 1 syllabus because unlimited micro courses are there. So what do we get there? Live interactive online classes hongi. Okay, the second thing, test series and analysis. So whatever is the time period that you have taken the subscription, you would be given the test series, so you can just know your rank, performance, everything there, compete with the students, how you are performing in MCQs term 1, right? Assignments and notes would be given. So if in case you haven't prepared your notes yet, you can go, you will get it there, right? Doubt solving is available during the live classes. So during the live session jitne doubts hote hain, you can get all of them resolved because we have a team of class teachers along with the master teachers to assist you there, right? After the class also, if you are having lots of doubts for all the subjects, then you can go for the classic subscription. ठीक है, वो भी you are getting for 5000. So what is the difference? Simple classic लेना है आपको. Why would you go for the light subscription for entire term 1? ठीक है, and you are getting this mobile application, so that depends on you. And again telling you, अगर ये भी नहीं करना है, you wanna go for 1 month, तो you can get for 1 month as well, right? उसके लिए भी you would be getting, and then you just have to pay around 1300 rupees. Fine, let ma'am see that. Yeah, see this is another link. This is for both term 1 and term 2. यहाँ पर this is what ma'am was talking about. ये है, try for 1 month, you just need to pay 1300 rupees. Happy now? Yes. At 1300 rupees mein you are getting for the 1 month, which was earlier available for 2300. So the price is quite justified, I guess. So this is the right time, but remember that you will only be able to get the course at this price within these 2 days. So today you have to take the enrollment, or at max by tomorrow. 1 month 1300, right? And 1300 ko if you are actually dividing it by 6 subjects, then what you are getting? Tell me 1300 divided by 6 in the chat box. Everybody? Yes, let me have the cost justification from you people. You would be getting around 216 rupees. So you are paying around 216 rupees for one subject. पर मंथ, मैं पर मंथ की बात कर रही हूँ, उसको भी आप 30 से डिवाइड कर लो. 216 को 30 से डिवाइड करो, you will get around 7 rupees. So 7 rupees you are paying for one day, and one day में you are getting unlimited classes. Let's say you attend 4 classes in a day. So इसका मतलब 1.8 rupees for one class. Wow. That's amazing. So that depends on you how you take the advantage of it, but do not forget the coupon code is important. If you don't apply the coupon code, then you might miss it. ठीक है? So उसके बाद otherwise you have to make the full payment of 2300 rupees. So take a screenshot of this. You can visit the link anytime and you can know more about it. But remember, you have very less time, only up to 7 September, right? Okay, now ma'am will come back to the mentee. So yeah, all the slides are given here, you can know more about it. Fine. Okay, so let's go to the next question. So this is the best time if in case you want to go for a complete year subscription, then also you are getting the offers, and the new crash course is starting for like from 13 September it is starting, and this is applicable to class 9 students also, so tension लेने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. Okay, and for ICSE also the same thing is there. So you can think about it if you feel that yes ma'am we need it. If you are still not very sure about your preparation strategy, if you need more questions, if you want to compete with the students out there so that you can know that at all India CBSE level what is my rank among all the students, then this is the golden opportunity. Okay, yes, that is SKA Pro. Fine. Okay, come on. So now let's go and continue our mentee. 5th question on your screen. Assertion says that assertion में reaction is given to you and they are saying it is a redox reaction. Reason says that manganese dioxide oxidizes hydrochloric acid to chlorine and gets reduced to MnCl2. Yes. Harshit beta, that is what my code is also telling you. SKA Pro, that is Shilpi, Kaushik, and A for Army, that denotes my cation army. So you all are my little cations, and now everyone knows at Vedantu also, Arey, how is your cation army doing? So that is how my like code is there. I was like, I want A also in the code. Yes. Ready? Then send blue hearts in the chat box. Come on. Everybody. 70913822 is the code, and I guess you all have read the question. Start kare. Ready? Assertion, reason. Read it carefully. Okay, doubt beta. Now only you can take the enrollment. We will come up with special offer for term 2 maybe. Like this might be a possibility, but you never know. But abhi ke liye you have a chance, then grab it. Okay. So term 1 may target as many marks as you can achieve, and let me tell you the reason. COVID cases are again increasing. Okay. So let's say the situation till your term 2 worsens in the case of COVID scenario, then ultimately the entire percentage would be depending on your term 1 exam. Are you getting it? So एकदम से weightage बढ़ जाएगा. That is why I am saying term 1 को target करो, that you can score maximum marks there. You never know what can happen till your term 2 exam, isn't it? Yes, Soham. Chalo, let's go and start it. Mark your answers. Read it carefully. I guess you all are ready. Yes, Sallu beta, put in the code 70913822. That is important. हो गया? 5 seconds are left. Let me see how many of you are good at redox reactions. Not bad, majority did it right. Amazing, amazing, that's awesome. And like even if you are taking 1 month enrollment for 1300 rupees within these 2 days, then you do get unlimited micro courses. So wahan par the redox reaction is like a very popular topic there. So you know there is always a lot of enrollments in that particular topic in the micro courses. So yeah, the correct answer was statement number 1. That was definitely a redox reaction, and the answer statement was clearly given there. Right, you can read it. MnO2 is converted to MnCl2 there. So what is happening? Loss of oxygen is happening. That means reduction, right? And HCl is converted to chlorine. What is happening? Loss of hydrogen is happening. That means oxidation. So now who has helped HCl to get oxidized? That was MnO2. So that was acting as the oxidizing agent here. Okay, so both of them were correct. It is a redox reaction because oxidation reduction is happening simultaneously. Okay, simple. Chalo, let's go to the leaderboards. I will read the names. Okay, beta, I will read the names. Fine. I see some more students from Cation Army, huh? On the leaderboards, Rudraksh and Cation Army. Awesome. And Palak fastest Cation Army. High five, beta. Nishtha, Sharvari, Rishi, Amisha, Sisi, Gayatri, Shami and Riya. I'm sorry if I'm pronouncing your names wrong. Okay. 6th question. Assertion says that all chemical reactions are accompanied by changes in energy. Now this is a very good question. इसको ध्यान से देखो, इस question का level अच्छा है. Assertion, all chemical reactions are accompanied by changes in energy. It means that whenever a chemical reaction happens, then there is always some change in energy. That change can be increase in the energy, that can be decrease in the energy, that depends on the reaction. Reason says that energy is always required to drive a chemical reaction. It means whenever you have to start a reaction, you always have to heat the system. You always have to give it heat energy. Think about it. नैनीता बेटा ट्राई ओपन इन द क्रोम, फिर से करो, ओपन करो menti.com 70913822. Try in the incognito mode. Sometimes Menti doesn't work there. Blue hearts, and I will know that you all are ready. अच्छा question. I like this question. Yes. You ready? Okay. Yes, so we are starting it. I can see you all are ready. Okay, चलो start करते हैं. Mark your answers. You have 25 seconds and that is enough because you people are so smart. देखो इतने difficult question you are solving today and that is so easy. Anu, you are leaking the answer, huh? Yes, everybody mark the answers. Come on. Have we achieved 100 likes? How many likes we have achieved? Arey, 118. Cation Army rocks. Cation Army par. Very good. Yes, Advait, mark your answer. Ayush, are you sure? Are you sure it's B? Socho, think about it. And the correct answer, I am so proud of you guys. Like 60% made it. I was not sure. I was like, अरे let's see what happens. So देखो ये question समझो बहुत प्यारा question है. We will read it. We will go back and read the question. Okay. All chemical reactions are accompanied by changes in energy. 100% true statement. Because what is there in a chemical reaction? Whenever a chemical reaction happens, then some bonds are broken. Some new bonds are being formed. So that is a sort of rearrangement of atoms that happens, and sometimes it can be an exothermic reaction, sometimes it can be endothermic. There might be absorption of heat energy, release of energy. So change in energy hamesha hoga reaction mein. That is point number 1. So assertion is true. Now reason says that energy is always required to drive a chemical reaction. No, that depends on the type of reaction. Let's say a reaction is exothermic reaction. So exothermic means heat is already released. Then that reaction will be favorable at the low temperature. Are you getting the point? If the reaction is already an exothermic reaction, then what condition will be favoring the reaction? Low temperature. So it is not necessary that energy is required for every chemical reaction. We can say endothermic reactions do require it. So reason is absolutely false and assertion was true. So answer number 3 was correct. Okay? Okay, that was a good question, we would say, and you guys really performed well. So I'm so proud of you. Now let's go and see the leaderboards. Who is on the top? I guess Rudraksh again was okay. Still at the top, Nishtha, Rishi, Sharvari, Amisha, Gayatri, Riya. So many girls. Boys, where are you? I cannot see. Yes. Yes. Gayatri, Riya, Shami, Anshika and Ayush Raj. Anshika was fastest. So many girls out there. Boys, please. Although like we are not doing any gender biasness, but still climb up. Come on, you all can do it. Yes. 7th question on your screen. We can distinguish between solutions of dilute sulfuric acid and dilute hydrochloric acid and dilute nitric acid. Dilute sulfuric acid with both of these acids. Read it again. Reason says that with barium chloride solution, sulfuric acid will give white precipitate, while hydrochloric acid, nitric acid will not give any precipitate. Again, this question, I like it. Dekho, you are getting different assertion reasoning question. That is why I was saying we have to climb up our level of questions. We will do all the questions at this level now, right? So that you are always prepared for the worst kind of situation. Always be prepared for it. Ready? Send some blue hearts. Yes. Kushagra beta, go follow NCERT first of all, exemplar. Then if you like, if you feel like practicing, then you can take any book, sample paper book, take for solving the questions. Otherwise, extra information ke liye you can refer S Chand also. That is good. Ready? Yes, Vasudha, I guess you are also ready. Akshaya, blue hearts. Bhumika, फिर से पढ़ो. Read the question again. Yes. Come on. Ready? Vinod is also ready. Okay. Chalo, we will start it. Something new. Try to mark it, otherwise ma'am will only explain the answer. So you are allowed to make mistakes here in the class. I just want that you people are well prepared for the board exams. Hi Varshini. Yes. Let's see guys, 15 more seconds. And next time I will reduce the quiz ke aur bhi timing. We will have the questions for 20 seconds. I guess you people still mark the answer like very quickly and then you are done with it. Yes, Kushagra, they are enough if you are doing it along with the practice of lot of questions. Guys, that is so amazing. Very good. 50% I've got it right. Not bad at all, because that was a new question. You can distinguish these solutions. How? If you take barium chloride solution, you make it react with dilute sulfuric acid, then there would be a double displacement reaction that will take place. So हमें क्या क्या मिलेगा? We will be getting barium sulfate and hydrochloric acid. Now that barium sulfate will be obtained as a solid because it is water insoluble. So the moment you mix these two substances, you will get white precipitate of barium sulfate at the bottom of the container. So that is precipitated out. If you take dilute hydrochloric acid with barium chloride, there will be no reaction. Double displacement nahi ho sakta hai because anion would be same. Both of them are having chloride ions, so there won't be any reaction. Okay? If you go with the nitric acid with barium chloride will give you barium nitrate solution. Now that is water soluble. You will get it in the form of aqueous solution. So you are getting precipitates with sulfuric acid but not with the other two acids. So you can easily do that. Okay? So both of them were correct and explanation was also right. That is how it went. Okay, different question. That was a new question. I hope you really enjoyed it. Rudraksh is like, no ma'am, not much. Okay. Very good. Nishtha on the top, beta. Keep it up. Rishi, Amisha, Riya, Shami, Ayush. Ayush, ek aur baar. Fastest. Very good. Rudrak, Shivang and Pratyush. Awesome. Last question can turn the tables around. All the best. Read it carefully. Bahut easy hai. I have kept this question easy. Vinod, beta, go back and listen to that explanation again. Try to write this reaction. So always bring a pen and paper in the class, even on the YouTube session, so that if some question comes, you can scribble it down. Okay? Assertion. The color of copper sulfate does not change when an iron nail is kept into it. Reason. Iron is more reactive than copper and displaces it. Easiest question. Anu beta, think about it, Anu. Yeah. Chalo, so we will start it. Try to write the reaction and you will understand. There we go. Still, if in case you missed the statement, एक बार देख लो फिर से. Color of copper sulfate, I can give you a hint. That is my favorite color. Copper sulfate का बहुत प्यारा कलर होता है. That is Shilpi Ma'am's favorite color, and you guys know it already, isn't it? Yes. 0.271 seconds only, Krish. इतना कम time. That is super awesome. Very good. Very good. Hint दिया है, but that hint was like not really required here. Copper sulfate का blue color will be turning to pale green color of the ferrous sulfate, and reaction will definitely take place. Iron is more reactive than copper, it will displace it. So assertion was wrong, but reason was correct. Okay, yes, Soham, very good, awesome. So guys, again reminding you, beta, do not miss this opportunity. 6th and 7th, you are only having 2 days. Vedantu ke all the courses are available for 50% off, 2000 rupees up to 2000 for both 9th and 10th grade. Sorry. Sorry. So if some student is from the 9th grade, then also the same applies, but 10th, I would highlight 10th students more here because you have your term 1 board exams. So do not take any sort of risk when it is available just at 1300 rupees per month. Why won't you go for it? And for all these subjects are being covered, complete science is covered, math, social studies and English. So ये time है when you have to buckle up. September is the month when you have to cover each and every theoretical aspect as well as the questions from every chapter. Because September में अगर पढ़ लिया, then that will really create difference. October से every student will study because of exam pressure. Right, that was the whole idea, to bring this discount in the month of September so that you can take advantage of this 1 month. So I'm not asking you to take complete enrollment for term 1, but go for just 1 month so that you can cover entire syllabus with unlimited micro courses. Okay, you can see the prices here for ICSE also, like 1300 mein you are getting the light subscription, and for CBSE students also. That's amazing. So if you want to buy the complete course, वो भी आप कर सकते हो. You are having a huge discount there as well. Fine. Okay, and the crash course batch is starting from 13 September. 13 September वाले batch में you can take the enrollment. So you have to hurry up for that. Okay. Yes, next time I will try to take more such different kind of question. And what is Shilpi Ma'am's coupon code? Write in the chat box, everybody. SKA Pro, that you know it already. Shilpi Kaushik Army, and now we are going and we will see the leaderboards. Okay, so some students be like, yes ma'am, we're gonna change the name. Nishtha on the top, that is so amazing, very good. Nishtha, and then Rishi, Amisha, Ayush is there, then Yadav, Ayush again, hai na? Kitayan Army, I can see Rudraksh, then I cannot read the name, Appu maybe, Shivank, Sharvari and Piyush. Very good. I have a question for you. What is the meaning of this in your cell phone? बताओ इसका मतलब क्या होता है? In the comment section, I want each one of you to tell me. Okay? I guess you have seen it clearly. And yes, Shilpi Ma'am will see you next time. Till then, take care. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. And yes, okay, do let me know the answer in the comment section. Bye bye. Take care.